All right, here are 3 presentation habits you should avoid and what you should do instead. Now, number 1, and I see this way too often, is a seller will get on a Zoom call, and for whatever reason, their buyer isn't camera ready, so they turn off their camera. So you turn yours off because you feel awkward. Don't do that. 55% of how we receive communication is based on our body language, our facial expressions. So instead, always put on your camera, even when they don't have theirs on. It's not that big of a deal. Just do it. Number 2, if your presentation opens with a slide about your 25 years in business and all of the customer awards that you've won, you're making a huge mistake. It should be all about them. Instead, kick it off with what you've heard from your previous conversations, or if you haven't gotten there yet, come with an opinion that may be top of mind based on conversations with other similar customers. And then number 3, if any of your slides look like this, where you've got a bunch of bullet points and then a bunch of text, and don't lie, you know you have them, you're forcing your buyer to multitask, which means they're not listening to you. They're trying to read what's on the slide. So instead, focus on having no more than one idea per slide. Now, this may double the size of your deck, but it's going to greatly increase your odds of them being able to understand and follow along with the concepts that you're trying to get across. Now, eliminate these 3 things and you're better than 80% of sales reps out there. It's really not that hard. Happy selling.